What is solar inverter? A solar inverter is a device that converts the DC electricity received from your solar panels into a form of electricity that can be used by appliances and other electronics in your home. Let's understand how it works and the different types of inverter available for solar. During the day, when the sun shines on the solar panels installed in your homes, electrons within the solar cells start to move around, which produces DC energy. The energy then goes straight into an inverter, which converts it into AC energy, which is the standard electrical current used to power appliances at home. Now that we know how solar inverter works, let's look at the various kinds and their functions. There are three core types of solar inverter: grid-tie inverters, off-grid inverters, and hybrid inverters. Grid-tie inverters are used with the solar PV system that is integrally connected to the utility grid power. They must connect to the grid to function. The electricity produced by the solar system, which is not consumed in the property, is automatically injected into the grid via a bi-directional meter. In case of the power cut, the inverter stops to function as a safety feature, which is known as anti-islanding. This system doesn't have battery backup, so during power cut, you will not have access to power. Hence, this system can be used in area where there are rare or very less power cut. It can alternatively be used if you have a normal inverter battery system at home for power backup during power cut. Off-grid inverters, on the other hand, work just like the normal inverters used at home. In this system, DC power generated by solar panel is used to charge the solar battery. When there is power cut, the inverter will draw stored energy from battery, converting DC power from the battery to usable AC power for running electrical appliances. This system can be used in area where there is frequent or long power cut. Combining the capabilities of both grid-tie and off-grid inverters into one, a hybrid inverter system can be used in both high power cut areas or areas where there is rare or very less power cut. Under normal operating conditions, it can supply power to the home, charge the batteries, and excess power can be fed into the grid. In case of a power cut, the unit will automatically switch over to battery supply and continue to operate independently from the electricity grid. Solar systems provide several advantages for their users. They help save money, are easy to install and maintain, and most importantly, reduce your carbon footprint. If you're looking to go solar, you should talk to our experts to know more about our range of grid-tie, off-grid and hybrid inverters.